Start with lesson 8.1, that is divide fraction and whole numbers. Page number 491, girls. Page number 491. All right, let us begin. Maya walks a 2 miles fitness trial. She stops to exercise every 1/5. Every 1/5 mile she stops. So how many 2 miles total from 0? Look onto the screen, girls, everyone. Here you have 0 to 2. You have here, okay. You have 0 to 2 here, okay. In between 0 to 2, what do you have? You have 1. I need to make 5 divisions. 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 4 over 5. Every 1/5, like every 1/5, this is 1 over 5. This is 1 over 5. Like example I told you, girls, if I ask you to draw 1 over 5, so what are you going to do? You are going to make this box. You're going to make 5 divisions. That is 1, 2, 3, and you're saying these are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you say this. You call this as 1 over 5. Am I correct? This is 1 over 5. Similarly, this is 1 over 5. This is all the divisions are 1 over 5. So every time she stops, Maya, she walks and she stops here. Then she stops second time. Then she stops third time. Similarly, she stops till n, and it is called as 10 times she stopped. There are 10 1/5 in 2 holes. In 2 holes, if I ask you, these are 2 holes. 1 hole and 2 hole, okay? In every, these have 5 divisions and these have 5 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally how many? You have 10 1/5 in 2 hole. How many 1/5 they have in 2 holes? You have 10 1/5. Did you get it? Page
No.
Jana, tell her the page.
Yeah, page 1.
Again, I will explain you.
491.
Yes. Look at it.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome.
Imagine this is 1 mile, but they say you 2 miles. These are 2 miles. Okay. They say that she stops to exercise 1/5. That means there are 5 divisions. Because it is 1/5, they told you this is 1/5. That means there are 5 divisions in 1 mile. 1 division, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many are there? This is 1 mile, girls. Now again, this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1/5. Every 1/5 she stops. She stops here. She stops here the first time. Second time she stops here. She stops 1/5 again. 1/5 again. 1/5. Like that, how many times she stops? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She stops 10 times. Even if you do not get it, don't worry. Just copy here and we'll go to another question and you will understand. Don't worry about it. It's a very simple thing.
Miss Wait, I want to do the timetable.
Best thing is don't go with the, don't go with this method. Go with this 2 miles and every 1/5 she stops. So how you gonna do this is 2/5. That is 2 divided by 2 divided by 1 over 5. Carefully listen to this line very carefully, girls. This is the most important part of this lesson. If I want to change division to multiplication, this flips. 1 over 5 becomes 5 over 1. My answer is 10. Did you get it?
Okay. Yeah.
If you want to change, like example 3 divided by 1 over 7. If I want to change this division, this becomes multiplication and you flip the next fraction. You flip the next fraction. Anyways, when we go further, I'm going to explain you. Write on here. Now you have 2 yards of string. He cuts the string into pieces that are 1/3 of 2. So 1/3 of 2, I told you, like see, Roger has 2 yards of, he cuts that into pieces.
Miss, can you scroll up because I want to write the time thing, the fractions that are down.
Okay, wait a minute, dear. See, you have 2 yards of string, and then you want to cut it into 1/6 part. So it's 2 divided by 1/6 because I want to cut it. What did I tell you? Write down 2, division change to multiplication, and flip. What do you get as? Why? Sorry, it's not 1/6. It's 1/3. I'm sorry. It's 1/3 here. See here? I'm sorry.
So we flip the fraction and we flip the.
You cannot say the fraction. If instead of this they give you 1/2, half is divided by 1/3. You will write the first term same as it is. You'll instead of division you'll put multiplication. This you're gonna flip. Like 2 divided by 1/3, that means nothing is here, means 1. I write it as same way. I change this 2 times and I flip the fraction. I got it as 6 pieces of strings. Did you get? Somewhat, right? Not much.
I get it.
Don't worry, even. And what would you say?
Kinda. It's not kinda.
Lala, you were asking me something before.
Yeah, this was what I was asking before.
Finish it and then I'm gonna explain you more. Don't worry if you don't get it. Don't worry, please. Okay?
Okay.
See, they change the division to multiplication and they flip. They didn't do this way, but I do this way. This way is easy, very easy. Finally, you get the answer. Am I right? Can I?
Yeah.
See, these are practice questions. Let us do some of them with you so that you get relaxed and everyone understand. Everyone, please, I don't have time to call out each name, girls, now. But please, everyone look here and stop me. Even if you don't understand 10 times, I'm here to explain you. I'll explain you 10 times. Okay, Tina, Mariana, Feroz, everyone. Amal, please, you need to concentrate.
Miss, which page is this?
This is no page, my dear. This is just like a practice question. If you like to take a picture, you can take a picture, but I'm here to explain you. It's so that you become more perfect in that. I told you if there's nothing, 1, and don't worry, just copy the first one. The division become multiplication and flip. You get as answer 2. 2 multiply 3/1, you get as answer 6. 4 multiply 4/1, you get 16. 1/5, copy it, girls. Don't change this. Don't flip the first one. This becomes multiplication. This was 3/1, so this becomes 1/3. It is 1/15. Stop me if you don't get it. 1/3, copy it. Multiply.
I didn't understand.
Who's this?
Like how?
Who is this?
Miss Hala.
Ala. Copy the first
Miss,
one.
can I ask you one question? So the whole lesson is just like how to, it's like division and then you change it into multiplication like that. That's the lesson?
Yes, the whole lesson is this way. Actually, listen to me. There is a concept behind
We just switch it.
Yeah, that's so easy.
Like, my dear, you don't switch it. You flip it. My dear, here, what is the first thing?
Yes.
Write down 1/5, Tala. Instead of division, put multiplication.
Okay.
If there is nothing here, you know that this is 3/1. Flip it. 3/1 will become 1/3 whenever you change division to multiplication, even this turns. To make my problem easier, I don't want to use those strips and explain you by putting boxes. That becomes hard.
So like basically we just write the fraction and then we multiply.
I didn't say the fraction. Here there is no fraction. Here there is 2. I write 2. I change it and I flip this. That's it. Now here I can make this as a fraction. 2/1. Multiply 1/2. I get 1/6. Do this with me, Thala.
Okay. 4 divided by 1/5.
Okay, what am I going to do? 4?
Divided by 1.
No, divided by, no, this I changed
Okay.
multiplication, and 1/5 I make.
Multiplication.
Got it? Somewhat, right?
So like basically we just like what do you call it? Like swap like the 1/5 we let it like the one down, the one we let it the denominator, and the 5 we let it the numerator.
Yes.
And then we put, instead of division, we put multiplication.
Yes.
And then we multiply just the numerator. That's all?
That's all. Girls,
Okay.
491.
Now I understand.
492. Please leave that page. We're not doing 492. Come directly to 493. Girls, please don't get confused with these what do you call as these diagrams, and because I don't follow them methods. Okay. There is I explained you that way, but not that easy to like 1/3 means there are 3 boxes. And they say the 3 like that. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9 boxes. How do you get that? 3 divided by. So 3, change, and then you flip. So you get 9/1, that is 9. I hope I'm not going fast. Feroz, you got it? Again, 3 divided by 1/3.
Yeah.
Multiplication 3/1. What's your name here? Tina?
What?
Tina? If I write 3
Yes.
over 6, how are you going to do this? You'll copy 3. The division will become multiplication, and 1/6 will become 6/1. Again, 3 copy same. Division becomes multiplication. 1/6, you flip it. 6/1. Your answer is 18.
It's 6/1.
Girls, just give me a moment. So here you have 1/4. You have 1/4 divided by 2. Tina, will you tell me how to do this? If
Yes, miss.
that means yes. Tell me, I'll copy 1/4. Instead of division, what I'm gonna put here?
Times.
Times, and then
1/2.
excellent, Tina. So this becomes 1/8. My answer. Now here 1 multiply 3. Let me make a screen, bigger screen. All right. So here 1 divided by 1/3. So 1 multiply 3/1. That becomes 3. 3 multiply 4/1. That becomes 12. Jana, solve the 6th one with me.
Yes. Okay. 1/5 multiplied by 1/2.
Excellent. You know that 1 time 1 and 5 times 2.
Yeah.
It's a simple lesson, girls. Now let's check all this and we'll put true or false. Come on. Thala,
Yes, miss.
check this first one. 4 multiply 3/1.
By 1/3 equals 1/12.
Is it true? It is.
Yes, it is.
No. They got 1/2.
No, it's not. Wait, because 12. It's just 12. It's not.
Yes.
Like.
Go to the next one, Thala. 6
Okay. 6 divided by 1
half or 1/2.
And
What can I write? 6 multiply. Flip.
by 1 to 1 equals 12. So this is true.
Yes. Next.
1/8 multiplied by 2. It's
Maria will do
true.
this. Maria, 1/8
Okay.
multiply.
By 2 equals 1/16.
Is it true? It's false.
No.
False. Amal?
Yes.
Miss, but how is it wrong?
Because see, I got 1/16.
Because it's 1/16. Not 16/1.
But why did we put the 1?
Because there is nothing.
Because 1 times 1 is 1.
See, Atara, 1/8 divided by 2. 2 is a whole number. I need to make a fraction first. And then I change and I got this one. I got 1/16.
Because it's a whole number? Because
Yes,
it's
all the whole numbers. See, here I was not
even number?
not even number, any whole number, which is without denominator. That has 1 in the denominator. If they don't have anything in the denominator, that means this. That means this.
Like if it's not an even number, we like have to put
Even
1/16 or 1/18.
Yes.
So the odd numbers, we just put
don't say
the number
even and
by
odd.
itself.
Yeah. Tala, you will confuse the whole class. It's not even and odd. It is whole number without a fraction.
Miss, can I do this one?
How do we know if it's a whole number?
1/3 multiplied.
If I write, 1 minute, dear. If I write 5, is this a fraction
Okay.
number? It's a whole number. Now this is a fraction. If it has both numerator and denominator, it has a fraction. It's a fraction. I need to make this as a fraction. I put 1 here. Come on, Yamal. 1/5 divided by 3/1. How do I do this?
We will multiply 1/5 by 3/1.
1/5 multiply by?
1/3.
Yes, flip it. So I get 1/15. And here they got 15. So this is false. All right. That's it for today's class, girls. Have a nice day. Anything else you would like?
Bye. Bye.
Bye, girls. See you all tomorrow, inshallah.